Hello everyone, welcome to Lucid Tutorials. This video will show you how to use Stage Manager on macOS 13 Ventura. Having many windows on your Mac screen might frustrate you. You want to quickly clear the clutter on your screen and be able to access your applications and windows easily while focusing on your important task without distractions. Stage Manager is a new feature added to macOS 13 Ventura. It has been developed to make it easy to unclutter your screen and helps you easily organize your applications and windows. You can also put applications into groups to fit your workflow. There is one point I want to bring to your attention. When you turn on Stage Manager for the first time, you will see this window asking you whether you want to turn on Stage Manager. Click on it to turn it on. This window appears only the first time you activate it. Since I have already activated Stage Manager, you won't see it when I turn it on in this tutorial. To use Stage Manager, click on the Control Center icon in the top right corner of your Mac menu bar and click on the Stage Manager icon to turn it on. Once activated, it will move all open windows to the left side of your screen as thumbnails, except for the active application. You will also notice that your hard disk or SSD icon and other file icons have disappeared from your screen. If you want to see your disk and file icons, click anywhere on your desktop and they will reappear. If you want to permanently see your disk and file icons, click on the Apple icon in the menu bar and select System Settings. Scroll down, click Desktop and Dock, and scroll down again until you see Stage Manager. Click Customize and toggle the desktop item switch to turn it on. Once enabled, your disk and file icons will appear and remain on your desktop. I am now using the Safari browser. To use a different app, click on its thumbnail or icon in the dock. In this example, I want to use the Preview app. I'll click on its thumbnail. Safari will move to the left and the Preview app will move to the center of the screen. If you want to view the Safari page again, click on the Safari thumbnail and the Preview app will move to the left side. To open another application, for example, TextEdit or Microsoft Word, click on its icon in the dock. It will take center stage and Safari will move to the left side of the desktop and remain there as a thumbnail. If you want to resize an open window, click on its edge or the corner and drag it. To go to full screen mode, click on the green button in the top left corner of the window. To resize the window to its previous size, click the green button again. To send the window to the left side of your screen, click on the orange button. When you move an application window near the edge of the screen, the thumbnails will be hidden. To reaccess the thumbnails, move the active window to the right, or move your mouse pointer to the left edge of your screen, and the thumbnails will reappear. You can also group applications to fit your workflow. For example, if you need to use the preview, keynote, and pages applications to create a presentation, you can put them into a group for quick and convenient access by dragging an application window over an active app. You can also rearrange and resize the windows based on your needs. And they will stay together. If I click on Safari window, the preview, keynote, and pages windows will move to the left side. If I need them again, I will click on the thumbnails and they will take center stage. In case you decide to ungroup your applications, for instance, you want to separate the preview app from the group, click on its window and drag it to the left side. To separate pages from keynote, drag its window to the left side. It will be separated and remain on the screen as a thumbnail. If you think you will use Stage Manager often, drag its icon to the menu bar for quick access. Then you can turn it on or off, or access its settings right from the menu bar. To remove the icon from the menu bar, hold down the Command key, click on it, keep holding down your mouse button, drag it to the desktop, and it will disappear. You can also turn it off by clicking on its icon in the control center. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. If you learned something new from it, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to receive notifications of upcoming tutorials. Your support will encourage me to make more videos for you. Thank you for watching.